Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. My name is Nur Shifa binti Azaha and my metric number is 85185. So for my FYP, my proposed project is a fishman, a web-based management system. For introduction, the fisheries sector plays a vital role in supporting food supply and in the livelihood of coastal community. However, many fishermen still rely on traditional and manual methods to manage daily fishing activities such as monitoring weather condition, identifying safety fishing zone, and coordinating order with buyers. This practice can expose fishermen to safety risks, operational inefficiency, and communication challenge. With the advancement of digital technology, there is a growing need for a smart and integrated system that can assist fishermen in making informed decisions. Therefore, Fishman is proposed as a smart fishery management system that integrates weather forecasting, sea weather level information, GPS-based localization, and order management into a single platform. This system aims to improve safety, efficiency, and sustainability within the fishery industry. Next is problem statement. Manual and traditional method. Fishermen still rely on manual ways to monitor weather, sea tides, and fishing location which make operational more difficult and increasing safety risks. Like fishermen really rely on mouth-to-mouth information, or they just look at the weather from the sky without a proper or formal information from the government or anything that rely like maritime technology. Next, with order management. Usually, fishermen will use WhatsApp or anything informal to communicate with the buyers. So this can lead to miscommunication, delay in delivery, and poorly maintained record. And the last one is lack of integrated system. No single platform currently combine essential functioning like weather, GPS, tide information, order management, and communication. Usually, there will be like weather only or sea tide only and like order management only. There's no system like combine three of these. Later, I will discuss this on the part of comparing existing system. Next is objective of this project to develop a web-based management system for small-scale coastal fishermen that integrates localized maritime weather forecasting and seawater level to information to support safer and more informed fishing trip planning. Next, to implement real-time GPS-based environmental data integration including wind speed, wind direction, and tide prediction to provide fishermen with accurate and location-specific decision support information before and during operation. To design and develop a structured order management module that enables fishermen to digitally manage customer orders, track booking, and communicate order status update in a centralized and reliable manner. Lastly, to design a user-friendly administrative interface with reporting capability, allowing fishermen or administrator to monitor sales record and operational data to support better business planning and decision-making. For research scope, this project focused on the development of a web-based prototype system designed specifically for small-scale coastal fishermen. The primary user of the system are fishermen who act as administrator managing product, order, and environmental information, and customer who can place order without requiring registration or login. The system covers core functionality including access to localized maritime weather information, seawater level and tide prediction, and digital order management. The geographical scope of the system is limited to coastal fishing area where small fishing vessels typically operate. Environmental data accuracy is depend on the third-party application programming interface, which is API, provided by external weather and sea level service provider. Lastly, as this project is developed as a prototype, limitation including relies on external API limitations capability testing and absence of advanced features such as payment gateway, integration, and mobile native application. Nevertheless, the project demonstrates the feasibility and effectiveness of integrating safety and business management features into a single web-based platform for small-scale fisheries. Next, this is the part where comparing existing project and proposed system like I said before. So we have Map Malaysia, Windy, WhatsApp, and my proposed system which is Fishmap. So for Map Malaysia, it is a Malaysian government forecasting system that a web-based system, and for Windy, it's an international forecasting system, and it has mobile application and a web-based system application. So for WhatsApp, it is normally the place that the application that fishermen and customer use to communicate for order transaction. And as you can see in the table, Map Malaysia and Windy has three of those: weather forecasting, sea water level, and GPS based localization. For WhatsApp, they don't have those features that Map Malaysia and Windy have, but it has order management that Map Malaysia and Windy don't have. But for Fishman, it have all, which is weather forecasting, sea water level, GPS based localization, order management, and sales report. For methodology, Fishman use agile methodology for iterative incremental development. Enable continuous user feedback to adapt to changing requirement. For planning phase, define project scope, identify stakeholders, which is fishermen and buyers, gather requirement via questionnaire. So Spring 1, system design and prototype. Spring 2 is core functionality. Spring 3 is advanced features and integration. Final sprint is deployment and user training. For agile practice use, daily stand up, track progress and resolve issue. Product backlog, prioritizing tasks and features. Sprint review, showcase work and gather feedback. Continuous feedback, adapt development based on user input. Interactive development, frequent testing and improvement. For software and hardware requirement, Fishman use Ryzen 9, 16GB RAM, 250GB SSD, Windows 11 Home. For web browser, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox or Microsoft Edge. And for development tools is Visual Studio Code, and front-end technology is HTML, CSS, JavaScript and React. Back-end technology is Node. Database is Firebase Firestore. Design tools is Figma, and API integration is Weather API. Next is analysis diagram. So this is a use case diagram. So for this diagram, it describes what the system is responsible and exists in analyzing the application functional requirement and form a basis for further structural design and role-based as control. Customer interact with the system primarily for purchasing tasks, where they can view product, place order, make payments and receive receipt. Additionally, the system allows customer to leave mark on the order to provide feedback and specific instruction. On the administrative side, the fisherman or admin is responsible for the core operational management of the platform. Their duty include inventory management, where they can adding product, removing product, updating fish stock and managing overall product availability. And order fulfillment, which is managing incoming order to ensure smooth transaction, and data analysis that can accessing a central dashboard which can be attended to view specific sales report, type information and weather updates to assist in daily planning. The fisherman or admin also has the capability to view customer remark, ensure a loop of communication between the buyer and the seller. The system supports the function by centralizing inventory data, processing transaction, and provide real-time environment data. As a result, the diagram demonstrates how the Fishman system enhances seafood supply chain management through streamlined role-based functionality. Next, this is the class diagram, which system interact primarily to customer and fisherman or admin classes. Customer can view available product, place order, make payment, receive receipt, and leave remark on their orders, where fishermen and admin are responsible for login, managing the product catalog by adding or removing item, updating fish stock level, managing incoming order, and view the system dashboard. Each order record transaction details such as order ID, data status, total amount, and remark, and is linked to order item payment and receipt to complete the sales cycle. The system also includes supporting classes to enhance functionality. The product class store product details and pricing, while the fish stock class track availability, quantity, and update inventory level. The dashboard class serves a central hub for the admin, integrated data and for sales report, for revenue tracking, as well as weather and tide classes to display real-time environmental condition. The class diagram shows how Fishman integrates user role, order processing, and operational data to provide an efficient and organized seafood management system. Lastly, expected outcome. Fully functional web-based platform for small-scale fishermen, access to localized maritime weather, wind speed, direction, and sea level, help fishermen make safer and informed decisions for fishing trip, intuitive user-friendly interface for all digital literacy level, order management model, tracks booking, manage order, maintain records, and admin dashboard for monitoring order and sales. Lastly, enhance maritime safety, business efficiency, and sustainable fishing operation. That's all for me. Thank you.